Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get cooking. And look what I have made today. Delicious lemon poppy seed muffins. And here are all the ingredients that you will need to make your delicious lemon poppy seed muffins. So let me go over them with you. So you will need 1.5 cups of sugar and 1.5 sticks of butter, 3 cups of flour and 2 eggs, 1 cup of sour cream and 1/4 cup of milk, the zest of 1 lemon, and then you will need 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, and then I have 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then I have here 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I got these new cute little measuring cups. You guys like those? I don't know, I thought they were cute. You will also need some salt, so you'll need a pinch of salt. So I've added my butter to a large mixing bowl, and my butter has been sitting out at room temperature so that it is nice and soft. And to that, I'm going to add my sugar, and then I'm just going to blend them together until they're nice and creamy. I'm going to add my eggs one at a time. Then I'm going to add my vanilla extract, and I'm going to add the sour cream. Next, I'm going to add the milk and the lemon juice. And I'm going to go ahead and add this lemon zest. I'm going to scrape down the sides of my bowl, and then I'm just going to add all the dry ingredients. And we'll scrape down the sides of the bowl again just to make sure there's no dry flour. Then I'm going to grab my muffin tin, and I've got my cupcake liners in there, and I'm going to spray them with some nonstick spray. And then I have a nice large scoop, and I'm just going to scoop this batter into these muffin cups. So now I'm going to bake these in a 350-degree oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. So my lemon poppy seed muffins just came out of the oven, but I want to give them just a little bit more lemon flavor. So I'm going to make a lemon glaze to put over the muffins. This is optional. You don't have to do this. They're delicious all by themselves, but I like just a little bit more lemon flavor to my muffins. You will just need 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and some lemon juice. Very easy. If you want your glaze to be thicker, don't add that much juice. If you want a thinner glaze, then add more juice. It's as simple as that. And I am wanting a thinner glaze. I'm looking for just a little bit to go over top of the muffin. Isn't that a beautiful plate of lemon poppy seed muffins? Oh, I just love them. Oh yeah. They are definitely nice and lemony. They're moist. These are good, guys. If you love lemon, you're gonna love these muffins. Good to the last bite. You know, sometimes you run the risk of your muffin being dry. That is not the case with these. These are super moist and delicious. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.